Morning, guys. So I'm just about to get ready. Sophie, you wanna say hi? So we just woke up, and today is Saturday, and me and my dog just gonna go to my sister's place, and then we're all gonna go to Chelsea Market. I've never been to this market, and I'm not sure if it's a regular thing or like a special thing, so I will see. The great thing about London is the amount of markets they have. Like every weekend there will be a market somewhere. Like the Columbia Road Market on Sundays. A bunch of clothing and vintage antique markets throughout London. Portobello Road Market is on like nearly every day. Although I don't really like that one. I don't know. I think when it's the weekend it's a bit too busy there. It's fair enough. Like everywhere on the weekend in London is crazy. The one in Covent Garden. Is it the Apple Market or something? It's not the Jubilee Market. It's separate, I think. Well, they're the same. Anyways, there's like in that main atrium foyer space in Covent Garden, I think they have different markets every day or some days. I know Monday or Tuesday are like the vintage and antique markets. Chiswick has different markets every Sunday. Like there's a flower market, antique market, food market. They change it up every weekend, which is great. Camden, obviously known for their markets. I hate going to Camden on the weekend though. It's crazy. You cannot walk. Yeah, so it's a good free thing to do in London if you're bored and you like the markets. Or Borough Market, it's okay. For me, it's okay. I'm not a big foodie, and they only have food. And it's always so busy because it's a very well-known tourist spot, so I wouldn't go on a weekend, but even the weekdays quite hectic. But yeah, that's what I love about London, all these markets. There's also a bunch of flea markets. Like I follow the Hackney Flea Markets, which is a company essentially. They hold flea markets mainly in East London. They do pop-ups with a bunch of stores and vendors that sells antiques and vintage secondhand items. I used to go to a lot of them, like when I was just moving into this place to find things. But I've noticed they can be quite pricey, like especially the ones in East London. Yeah, I feel like the markets in East London and like thrifting there is so much more pricier than in West London, because I feel like they know that people go to East London to go thrifting into those markets, so they would purposely bump up the prices, whereas West London is not really known for that, and therefore the markets and vintage stores here are cheaper, especially like those charity shops like the Cancer Research and I forgot the names, Red Cross Foundation. They're so much cheaper in West London because thrifting is not as big as in East London. Although thrifting in East London is better in terms of like you will most likely find the item you are after because they have such a big selection, whereas thrifting in West London you really have to like be patient or something because they will most likely not have a specific item that you're after, but if they do, it will most likely be cheaper. Okay, so I'm just finishing up. I would then feed my dog, get us both ready to go. Hopefully the weather outside is okay.